Well, Charlotte the Harlot, we really thought this was your last hurrah. You had an eye ulcer that made one of your eyes look like it had already popped out. And then that ulcer got infected. And now, here you are, barely able to stand with your wonky leg. And still, the bog witch is forever. Harlots, the harlots. Disgusting little hump. Are you not done? Charlotte, I think you're done. Yeah. Let go, old girl. You're fine. Gosh. That giant cyst on your back. Yes, that giant cyst on your back erupted for the second time. But I guess the other cysts are just going to have to wait their turn. Yeah. That's 90 seconds of Charlotte's.